Hello everyone, welcome to Lee Dynasty Kitchen. The Mid-Autumn Festival just around the corner, so I'm very happy to share with you today the fast and easy way to make the delicious snow skin mooncake. With my technique and my recipe, you will find a very easy and fast way to do this cake to enjoy this Mid-Autumn Festival. So please come in, join me with Lee Dynasty Kitchen today, how to make the delicious snow skin mooncake. Please join me. Look at this, it's so beautiful on the eye and tastes so yummy in the mouth. This mooncake just make so delicious and very easy to do. The ingredient is so simple, you can get in any grocery store. First of all, we're gonna need 4 eggs, 45 grams of butter, sugar, gonna need 78 grams, 180 grams of milk, 30 grams of cake flour, milk powder, and custard powder. We need 8 grams each. All these ingredients we need to make the yummy snow skin cake today. First of all, we're gonna use 4 egg yolk. If you don't know how to use for the remainder of the white yolk, just use the whole 1 or 2 egg is fine. Okay, after you take out 4 egg yolk, you just beat it up, mix it up well before you add the other ingredient. As now you can see that we start with the filling first. So add the butter, it's already melted, and then we add milk at last. Okay, so this is for the liquid. Then now we're gonna go to the dry part. Mix all the ingredients together. We have listed before. Okay, mix it well. Mix all well, and after that you're gonna add the liquid part to the dry part. Okay, there we go. Mix all well again. Make sure it's no more lump, so it will be nice and smooth. But more than that, after you finish mix well all this, you're gonna put to the strainer to get the best out of it, to get the smoother for the cake filling. That's it. Next step, you're gonna put into the pan. Use the non-stick pan, that's the best. Okay, spatula of course. Stir it up at the medium heat. There's a few different stages when you see it. When you see it thick a little bit in the bottom, now start to stir it up faster, more steady. So make sure it's non-stick in the bottom. And as you go, you will see the different stage. When you stir it up, you will see it's still stick on the spatula. That means it's not ready yet. It's almost. So keep stirring up until you see nothing stick on the spatula. That means it's ready now. Okay, so after this, put it aside, wrap it up and put the fridge. You have few ways to do it. You can put in the saran wrap like this, which is I like to do, and just roll it up in the long roll. So it's easy and faster when you divide into the filling, in the ball. Just like this. Wrap it up in the one long roll and put in the fridge. Few hours or overnight is fine. Or you can just, put in the container like this. Cover with the saran wrap to make sure it's no air tight. That's it. Put in the freezer. This step, I prefer and like to do it overnight, so it's next day when you do it, it's much easier. Okay, so after a few hours or the next day, you take it out and start to divide into the small portion for the filling. Today we're going to use 50 grams of the cake mold, so I'm going to use 20 grams of the filling and 30 grams of the wrapper. But it's up to you, you can do opposite, whatever you like. Wait until finished, then you're gonna have it, squeeze it like this and then make into the ball. Round it nicely, okay? Round it nicely, and after you're done, that's it. You put it aside and we're gonna go to make the wrapper. Very nice and easy. Just divide like this into the equal amount of 20 grams. Look at that. So we put it aside and now we start to make the wrapper. So for the wrapper we need 27 grams condensed milk, 26 grams of cooking oil, 198 grams of milk, 38 grams of sugar, and this powder we leave the picture for you, 60 grams of glutinous rice powder, 40 grams of rice starch, wheat starch, 37 grams. Very simple, you can find in any grocery store. Mix all the powder together. Mix all the powder together. Make sure you mix well, okay? Make sure you mix well with the milk at the end to make sure no more lump. The milk, please put in the room temperature so it's not too cold to prevent the lump when you mix it up. You will find the amazing way to make this wrapper compared with traditional way. A lot faster and easy to do. You're gonna love it. Okay? Mix all the ingredients well. Okay? Then the next step, we're gonna use to put in the microwave to make the wrap. 1.5 minutes. Check it out. It's just partial cook, as you can see. So use the spatula, mix it up well. Then you're gonna put another 1.5 minutes. Depend on your power of your microwave. I know mine, so I use 1.5 times 2 times. But you can do 1.5 and then 1 and then 30 seconds. So you can check it out. This is after another 1.5 minutes, total 3 minutes. Look at this. We have a nice, well done, beautiful wrapper. Look at this dough. Perfect. It's just nice and perfect. So we leave it at the side for a few minutes to get it cool down a little bit. Okay. Then we're gonna use some glutinous rice powder. Just a little bit, not like this because I make a lot, so I use more. So you don't have to use like this. You can do just a few tablespoons, and then just fry it a little bit. Now it's time to make the wrapper. Don't let it cool down, too cold, because with the warm a little bit, you can find the way to do it easier to make the dough nice and smooth when it's still warm. Okay, so roll it, squeeze it up and down a few times. Look at that. You have a nice, silky, very smooth, beautiful skin. Look at that. Snow skin, that's what we call. Pretty, isn't it? Okay, so now start to divide into the small one. We're gonna do 30 grams each. Okay? 30 grams each equal. Just do one all together like that. With my way, I normally do just weigh all at beginning, finish all, then I will make into the ball later on. So it's faster. Okay, squeeze it, round it. That's it. We're gonna have a nice silky snow skin wrapper. This is amazing thing here. By using tortilla press, I wrapped up with saran wrap, okay? No rolling pin, no rolling stick. Okay, very fast and easy, just in a snap. Look at this. Put the ball right in the center. Put the ball right in center. Squeeze it slightly, not press completely down. Okay, you can see the space like this. Because if you press down too much, it will flat down, too thin. That's what we don't want. Squeeze down a little bit. Okay, open it up. Ta-da! Look at that. Use the saran wrap to press it around the wrapper to make a thinner layer around, and then in the center it's still nice and thick. Still nice and thick in the center. Very fast. Can you believe it? You don't have to use the roll stick and up and down and lots of time. This is saving you lots of time. If you wear glove, then you don't have to use the saran wrap. Okay, because the glove is smooth already, so easy to press it around. See how fast it is? Squeeze it down slightly, open it up. Okay, use the saran wrap, press it around to make it some thin layer. Okay, just like that. Because the thick part in the center, when you bring in the mold, it will be nicer. Look at that. In no time, we're going to make the wrapper. Instead of using the rolling stick, costs too much time. There we go. See the thin layer around. Okay. Now we're going to make the roll it with the filling. Look at that. Put in the center, upside down, squeeze it, and roll it to make sure tight air. Okay? Turn around and squeeze it the bottom, stick together. That's it. We're done. Very fast, isn't it? Very fast. You're gonna love it. This way to save you lots of time and make you not hesitate to make more often. You don't need to wait until Mid-Autumn Festival, but you can make this cake to eat all year round because it's so simple to do, especially this step. This is the most, difficult time, like you have to spend a lot of time by using the roller stick and, stick up and down each single one. This one, just a snap. Voila! There is nice, smooth 12 mooncake. Now, remember the one you fry the glutinous rice on the pan? Now, we're gonna stick a little bit at each ball, okay? And smooth it out, just slightly one. Squeeze it in the center. After you're done, press it down, squeeze it in the center, to make sure it's nice, and squeeze it in so when you put in the cake mold, it's easier. Now, 50 grams of cake mold I'm gonna use today. Okay, very nice and simple. Put in the center, press it down at the bottom. Upside down, we leave it stay flat on the surface. Press it down, hold it for a few seconds tight, not move. Then just push it out. You're gonna have a very nice printed. Look at that, so pretty, isn't it? Continue to do like that. You're gonna have 12 snow skin cake today. Very yummy, very pretty. This cake mold, you can get it from the link I will put below the description. Okay, 50 grams of cake mold. After done, this cake can be left at room temperatures for 2 days. Because we have no preservative, and not as sweet, so we need to put in the fridge after. But believe it or not, after the first day from the fridge, when you bring it out at the room temperatures for a little while, when you eat, it's still very soft, very yummy. But if you leave it longer in the fridge, then you need to microwave 20 seconds before you eat it. Okay? Look at that. Nicely done. Nicely done, and it's very beautiful on the eyes. Tastes very yummy in the mouth. The snow skin mooncake with the fast and easy way to do. I hope you like my share today and try it to make for your family to enjoy this Mid-Autumn Festival coming up. Like I say, you can make anytime because it's so simple. Thank you very much for watching the video today, and if you like my share, please give my video the thumbs up. Okay? That makes me very happy. Okay, so now we just try to cut it out and see how delicious the cake. Very yummy and very tasty. Look at this. Very nice and perfect. So delicious and so pretty. Easy to do. That is the main thing. Thank you very much for support Lee Dynasty Kitchen by subscribe my channel. I really appreciate all your support from day one, and I hope you will try to make this delicious recipe today and enjoy it. And please don't forget to share so everyone can make this yummy cake today. Thank you very much. And for you who understand Vietnamese, please check it out my Vietnamese channel to see more variety and more delicious dish. Thanks again, and I hope you like my share, and I will see you next time for my next video. You will like my next one, the snow skin mooncake with the natural mix. So pretty, isn't it? Very pretty, very yummy, and very easy to do again. See you next time.